Are you struggling to change the parameter group of your AWS RDS instance? You're not alone. Many users find themselves in the same boat. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to make that change seamlessly. I totally get it. You create a new parameter group, but when you check your instance, it still shows the default group. It can be really frustrating when the documentation doesn't provide clear guidance on how to make that switch. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, "How do I change the parameter group of my AWS RDS instance?" They created a new parameter group but couldn't find the option to change it in the RDS dashboard. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So why is this happening? When you create a new parameter group, it doesn't automatically apply to your RDS instance. You need to modify the instance settings to switch to the new group. Let's break down how to do that. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you manage your parameter groups more effectively in the future. To change the parameter group of an AWS RDS instance, the user should first navigate to the Amazon RDS console. From there, they need to select the Databases option in the left-hand menu. Next, the user should find the specific RDS instance they want to modify. They can do this by scrolling through the list of instances displayed on the screen. Once the user has selected the instance, they should look for the Modify button at the top right corner of the Instance Details page. Clicking this button will allow them to make changes. In the modification settings, the user will see an option for DB parameter group. Here, they can select the new parameter group they created from the drop-down menu. Finally, the user should scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Continue button. After that, they need to apply the changes by clicking Modify DB Instance. This will update the parameter group for the instance. Fun fact, did you know that AWS RDS supports multiple database engines? This flexibility allows you to choose the best fit for your application needs. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to changing the parameter group of your AWS RDS instance is to refer to the documentation on modifying a DB instance. This section provides detailed instructions. You can also modify the DB instance using the command line interface. The command is AWS RDS modify DB instance, followed by your instance name and the new parameter group name. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly review your parameter groups and their settings. This practice can help you optimize your database performance over time. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the parameter group of your AWS RDS instance. Remember, keeping your parameter groups updated is key to optimal performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.